Hi, welcome to Taffy's Texas Kitchen, and today we're going to be making ambrosia salad and Watergate salad, or sometimes people call it pistachio salad or Watergate salad. I'm going to get everything together and we'll be back. First off, I'm going to start making the ambrosia salad, and we have 1 can of mandarin oranges, and this is a 15-ounce can of mandarin oranges. I'll go ahead and put that in, drained. And then I have 2 8-ounce cans of pineapple tidbits, and you can use the large chunk if you wanted to. This is such an easy recipe because you can just dump it in there. And at most of our holiday gatherings, my grandmother, we called her Mamaw, always brought some type of jello dessert. She either made a lot of times banana pudding or the pistachio pudding is what she always brought. And then at Christmas time and Thanksgiving, she always made pecan pies too. But Mama always brought some type of dessert that had Cool Whip in it, like some type of fruit salad. Okay, after we put the fruit on, then we have a jar of cherries, drained, and that's a 16-ounce. I need a cup of marshmallows. I'm going to put 2 cups in. I usually don't even measure, I just pour stuff in, but I'm trying to measure for you guys so that you know what to do. So I'm going to put 2 cups of marshmallows in. And then a cup of coconut. Open the bag very good. And then a cup of pecans. And the reason I thought I'd make both of these desserts is because I really like the pistachio salad, or people call it Watergate salad. But my son-in-law doesn't like it. He likes he calls it the pink salad. I thought I'd go ahead and make both because it takes almost the exact same ingredients in both of them. And then you need a half a cup of sour cream. I'm just going to eyeball it. And then a whole container of whipped topping. And then you just fold in the whipped topping. Just want to make sure you get it stirred really good and get everything distributed. Make sure you get that sour cream mixed in with everything. juice from the cherries, even though you drain it, it still kind of turns it pink. Alright, well that's what this one looks like. I'm going to get everything together for the pistachio salad, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to do this pistachio pudding. In my bowl I have one 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, undrained, and I also added 1 can, 8-ounce can of the pineapple tidbits, just because I had them, but the recipe only calls for the 20-ounce can of undrained crushed pineapple. And then to that I'm going to add 1 small package of pistachio pudding, and I'm using sugar-free, but you can add just the regular Jell-O. And you need the juice from the pineapple so that, you know, the pistachio pudding will have something to mix into. I'll go ahead and give that a stir. Pistachio pudding, that one's my favorite. A Watergate salad. And I'm also going to add mandarin oranges, and that's optional. You don't have to do that. You can also add cherries to it. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of marshmallows. A funny story, I ordered, I was going to show you the package, but I think I gave it to the kids. I'd ordered marshmallows on a grocery order, and I didn't realize that it said that it was 2 packages of 1 ounce marshmallows, so I got a package probably about the size of the Jell-O box of marshmallows, 2 of them, and I thought that was funny. But the other thing about it too is that the 2 packages for 2 1-ounce packages were $1, and a whole bag of marshmallows is $1.25. So I was trying to think in my mind, well, how was I supposed to know besides, you know, just checking how many ounces, which I try to do. When you order stuff online, sometimes it can be tricky. And then also we need 1 cup of pecans, and these are pecan pieces. And then 1/8 ounce tub of Cool Whip, and I'm using the 0 sugar Cool Whip. Now this doesn't make it, you know, completely no sugar, because you've got marshmallows and fruit in it, but for me it helps reduce the amount of sugar intake. Because I'm diabetic, so all those nice desserts I make, I don't get to eat. I just give them to the kids. But this is something I can eat. And then just like the other one, you just want to stir it up. And these are always nice to, you know, take if you have to go to a potluck or to a family dinner. Like I said, we always had these desserts on any holiday we got together. And you do want to make sure you set your Cool Whip out at least an hour before you start to make your desserts, so that it'll be thawed out so that you can mix it up. And that's how this one looks. And I'm going to plate them up so you can see them. And I'll be right back. I'll see if I have a taste tester. I got Eli, and here's what it looks like all plated up. This is the Ambrosia salad, and this is the pistachio salad, or Watergate salad. And I got Eli, he's gonna taste it for us. We're tasting it together. He's not tasted it before, so.
It's really good.
Good. Alright, well, thank you guys for being with us today. I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter and enjoy your families. And remember to show kindness to others, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Like and subscribe.